Don't get me this time. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey. So, let me explain. So recently, Lena Love Curls on Instagram did a flat twist into a bantu knot. And she was giving me all types of hair porn. So I decided to experiment and try that myself. Typically, I've only done flat twist outs or a flat twist and curl with a rod on the end. But I wanted to give this a try today. So as you can see, my hair is already stretched. I did blow my hair out. I'll leave all the products that I use in the description box. So far, you can see that I've already gone in and I've done most of the back of my head. My leave-in has already been applied and I did blow dry my hair on medium heat, high speed. So today to style, I'm going to be using a rat tail comb to part my hair and to keep my hair smooth and detangled. I'm going to be using some clips to keep my hair sectioned off. Also going to be using some bobby pins in order to finish off the bantu knots. As far as hair products, I'm going to be going in with the Camille Rose Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter and the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. So I'm going to go in with the Almond Joy Twisting Butter. It smells like cake, which I love. And just to be clear, you don't need a lot of this. I'm just going to be using a little bit of this just to kind of go through and make sure my hair is nice and smooth and to keep my hair nice and moisturized. I'm going to add a little bit more on the ends. And make sure I really rake that through. And then I'm going to go in and flat twist. If you would like a flat twist tutorial, there are hundreds of thousands of them on YouTube. But trying to find the verbiage to make this clear for everyone, I can't be bothered. So I'm making sure I keep a really tight grip and that I smooth the hair as I twist and grab. So that way it'll make the takedown really easy. I'm also not grabbing like huge amounts of hair as I go down the twist. So once I run out of hair to grab, I go in with the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. And I'll probably just add a pump or two. And I'll just add a pump or two to that and rake it through. Make sure that that's all throughout the section. And then twist. And I'm keeping that same firm grip on the twist. So we don't want to slack up and risk the twist not coming out nicely. So maintaining that grip. Gonna bring it around. Bring it around. And wrap it into a bantu knot like so. And then I'm gonna go in with a bobby pin. And hope that these stay overnight while I'm sleeping. Not really sure. So that is what the back is looking like. Hopefully it doesn't look too ridiculous. And hopefully these bantu knots stay while I'm sleeping. So I'm going to go ahead and do these same exact steps all over my head. And then I'll come back for the takedown. later. I don't even know what to say. Okay. So I'm finished taking down and fluffing. And these are my final results. Like, do you see these curls? Honey, yes. So I went in with cult favorite, the almond dry twist and butter, and I really just kind of put this toward the root just to kind of smooth them down. With me blow drying my hair, of course my hair was stretched, but I wanted to make sure that my roots were really, really smooth. The almond dry twist and butter has been a staple since the first time I used it. Super moisturizing, and it gives me great definition, but it doesn't give me hold. So I followed that up with my staple. You all know I love to use mousse as a styler. Like, look at the... It's hydrating. It gives me a great flexible hold. It gives me shine. It gives me volume. It gives me movement and body. Like, do you look at... Yes. Flat twists have always given me great shape to my hair. Like, and you all know I don't really like to use tools, but because of me parting my hair with the comb for the flat twist, I did go in with my metal pick just to make sure that I was able to get rid of the parts from the flat twist. So this is a style that I'm definitely going to be doing again. I'm sorry I can't teach you how to flat twist, but once you learn, make sure that you keep your flat twist neat and you keep your flat twist smooth. Like, look at look at these curls. My hair is soft, it's shiny, it's defined, it's super moisturizing. I did not use any oil to take this down. Like, look at that. Make sure you drop in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.